here in the middle we've got Tom Morehouse in his 615M, and just stopping there at the 79.84 metre mark for his first run of the 7 to 8.5 tonne class.
So hard to record, man. John Cena there, a John Deere, it's attached to that case over there if you can't see it or not. Where is it? Yeah, that's the tractor that's going to be pulling next, the John Deere. Oh, when the hell are they going to start, bro? Guy running in the home.
Just to explain that the very, very quick time there of 28.24 seconds from Braden Hills, that was because he wasn't pulling anywhere near as much weight as what he should have done in that tractor. There was a 7722S, I think, Massey Ferguson. He's now in lane number 1, closest to the river. This tractor tested a 205 kilowatts, which I believe is about 280 horsepower. Too big for the weight-adjusted competition, so he's just having a run out there to have a bit of a go. He's been disqualified, unfortunately, from this part of the competition. Who's set to go next forward?
When they're gonna go.
It's all action out here. We've got underway. The Waikato weather's been particularly kind to us this morning. The track's looking great. Everything's working like clockwork. This heat should have been completed. We're underway at 9:40. We're just going 10:15, so we're just a wee bit behind time, but we're doing great guns here at the moment. And meanwhile, I'm surprised because it looks as though in lane number 1 that the tractor of Braden Hills isn't doing quite so well this time. So whether he's really just sort of pulled back a wee bit, I'm not sure. Lane number 1 looks as though it's certainly the harder of the 2 lanes. Meanwhile, Keith Brownrigg, he'll definitely go through because it's just really him by himself at the moment, and he's got the best time there. So that is surprising because there's nowhere near enough weight on that tractor of Braden Hills Massey Ferguson 7722S. So that's heat number 3 completed. I don't think we're too far away from completing. I'll let you talk and tell us about this older John Deere, Casey. Is it one of the Townsends?
No, we've got Sega Singh Ark, and he's in the 7810 IBT. He's a first-time competitor here at the field days in the 7 to 8.5 tonne class, and not doing too shabby there in the 80s, but all just slowing there and stopping at 83.32 metres.